In this video, we're going to discuss one-way binding. One-way binding defines the flow of data. So it's going to flow from the binding context, which is our view model in this case, and it flows to the HTML. So one-way binding always flows only from the binding context to the HTML, in which case is the view. So to define that, we've got this inner text, and we say that we want to have a one-way binding on the counter property. So we currently don't have one. So when we run it, we're not going to actually see anything. So let's just go and add something here quickly that facilitates that one-way binding. So to do that, we're just going to use an interval, and we're going to set the value periodically so we can see the value updating. So we'll start off with a variable, count equals 0. Set interval, we're going to use an arrow function here, and we're going to say this dot set property counter, and we're going to put the count in there, and we're going to say count plus equals 1, and then when we save it, then let's go and see what our HTML is doing. So here's our screen, we refresh, and now we can see our counter updating. So this indicates one flow of data where we update the property in the view base or the JavaScript side of life, and it automatically flows to the DOM, but only in one direction.